doesn't it? Whoa, what a day yesterday. Today is Wednesday, and we're at the 14th of September, 2022, 8:30 a.m., right on the button, basically. And as you can see, a fairly stable market. You try to rally, you gave that up, you dropped back. Now the market is just sort of sitting right here. We did get the PPI data. I'll get into that in a minute. You're trying to get up a little bit into the energies. Notice I've moved over here to the December Brent, and I've moved to all the Decembers now in stock indices. I think it's time to make that change. It is not time yet in the currencies. Still, the Septembers have the lead volume. We're getting a rather neat break in the corn market. To me, it looks like support should come in around that 683 level. Bonds and notes still continuing on the downside. Cotton trying its darn best at the 100 level to build something of a base that it can try to work from to the upside. We'll see if it's able to succeed with that. And in the metal markets, well, copper still sinking back down another 300 points today. That's a rather big break. Silver market still gaining a bit on gold. It's been doing that for a while now, so I find that pretty interesting. When we look over at the day's data, we had the mortgage market headline recap, and as you can see, nothing stellar here. By the way, mortgages today are at 6%. So that is the first time since November 2008 that that's occurred. We got the producer price index, and again, I see it as a sticky number. Final demand down 0.1%, right what they expected. Ex-food and energy up 0.4. They only expected up 0.3. So to me, nothing friendly in that report either. Railroad traffic, I hope you're paying attention. It's being curtailed everywhere. So from fertilizers that are not being shipped now, they don't want to get ammonia caught on these rail cars that maybe sit in yards for how long or on a rail somewhere for how long. In Chicago, the metro services for the trains. Now, if you're taking a long ride, they're already telling you they're canceling that. They don't want you stuck on that train in the middle of the trip. That is changing on you. We saw the finance minister out of Japan say that, and this is a threat, that for intervention on the yen. Now, it's not as easy to do as he's making it sound. There's a pact in the G20 members that they don't intervene. So you'd have to have everybody agree to it. They did what's called a price check today, which is when they call banks to see just what they could buy yen for if they were to do it. And that sends out the warning sign because it's not a normal procedure that a central bank does. So you've got to pay attention to that. As we come back, we can see that the Japanese yen getting a good rally. I had first wanted to sell this market today, and I told my clients in my morning video, back off on that it's probably not a good idea to play if they've gotten permission to intervene. Could be a big bottom that then forms. I'd rather be safe than sorry. I think that's the way you look at it. Now, tomorrow's a big day for us. We're going to be having our live webinar. I want you to attend. So it starts at 12:30 p.m. Central Time. You write in questions now. So you register. In the registration part of it, there's my email address. You'll get that after you've registered. Write me any questions you want. We're getting a good amount of them right now, and I'll do my darn best to answer every one. I'll set up the charts. We start 12:30 p.m. Central Time. It's 20 minutes long. It ends promptly, 20 minutes later. How do you get the link and all? Let me tell you. If you haven't received my email, you're probably not on my mailing list or you didn't pay attention to it. In any case, all you need to do at this point is move your cursor up to the top right there. There'll be an icon. Click on it, fill out the form. You'll get registered. We are probably reaching already about 60–70% of our max capacity. So we'll be done with all the registrations today probably. In any case, if you have a question, call my staff, 866-973-2077. Remember to click up here. I'll see you at the end of the day with our market wrap-up. What a day yesterday was, right? You take care.